After this video, you will stop being a bitch. Okay, why the f do you even care what other people say? We have two reasons. Maybe you judge other people, you gossip, you talk about other people with your family, with your friends, and so on. And maybe you're not that mature yet. Some of us mature at 20, some of us mature at 15, some of us mature at 30. It depends. But as soon as you realize that actually nobody gives a f about your business, about your content, or anything you wanna do, that's the moment you actually get mature. Let's make it simple for you. For example, you wanna post a video on social media, or even you maybe posted it already, and you've got some bad feedback from your friends or family. You shouldn't do that. It looks bad. You're cringe. First of all, you should get rid of those friends, and if it is family, you should not listen to them. By the end of this video, I will show you all the ways I managed to stop thinking what other people say and start living my life freely. Okay, let's first talk about this. As soon as you post, for example, a video on social media or start a business and tell your friends, they will maybe think it's cringe and so on. But they'll actually forget that in like 5 minutes. Nobody will actually care about your business, about your content 5 minutes after. Nobody. Yeah, maybe they will repeat a few times like, he does YouTube, he does content online, he started a business, look at him, and they will laugh maybe, okay. But they are too, man. They are literally. You need to get rid of those friends first of all. And the second of all, you shouldn't give a what they say, because they are not equal to you. And they're not even better than you. No successful person will laugh at you, and no successful person will tell you not to do it, because all the successful people went through the same thing you did. They actually care what other people say. They went through that and they know how it feels. They wouldn't actually tell you that. Every successful person overcame the fear of judgment. If you start boxing, no successful boxer will tell you don't train. If you start a business, no successful entrepreneur will tell you like, no, it doesn't work, don't do it. No one. Only the ones who stay at the bottom will tell you that, because they want to bring you down with them. Don't do it. Don't listen to them. Try to plug your ears like this and don't listen to them, man. Don't listen to them. And I will tell you one more time. Every single person on this world will forget what you did in like 2 minutes after it happened. Once there was a girl my age, like 19, 20, and she literally fell in front of me. I was walking on the street. She fell in front of me. She stumbled. I don't know what happened. Everybody around looked at her like she was the main thing in that moment. And I also seen that, but I was like, okay, it happens, man. It happens. It's not that big of a deal, man. And they forgot it. She was a beautiful girl. Like, when will you expect a beautiful girl to stumble and fall in front of you? I wouldn't laugh. There's nothing to laugh about. Only kids laugh at those things. I literally forgot about that thing in like minute or two, and that was not a big of a deal. Maybe she felt bad because she fell in front of all the people on the street, but if she only knew, nobody really actually cared about it. I don't know how she looks now. Like, I don't give a fuck. And right now I will tell you how I overcame the fear of judgment. First, it was in school. I always wanted to post online, to record on social media. I wanted to be famous. I wanted to be something on social media. And I started posting, trying to post something like... It was cringy, to be honest. It was cringy. And when I came to school every single day, like, friends were like, oh man, look at you. Oh, he's so cringe. Girls were laughing at me and so on. But I actually felt really bad about it. I felt that I'm doing something wrong because they tell me it's cringe. I felt bad and I stopped for a while. I didn't post. But maybe a few months after that, I realized like, man, I won't see any of these people from school in like 5 years from now. I won't be seeing them anywhere. I won't live even here where I live right now. I will meet new people, like, who the cares? Literally, I won't see those people ever again. And they're literally nothing important to me. Why would I listen to those rats. And it clicked in me, but I was still like, I don't know, I feel bad about posting, I feel cringy and so on. But also the second thing I realized, it was that I was meant for more. I didn't want to stay unimportant. I really wanted to be successful, to be famous about having the best business in the world. I wanted to be famous on social media and so on. I felt that I have a lot of potential and a lot of big things that should come to me. And I knew that I can't do anything if I sit at home and take their opinion. I was like, I don't give a f. I won't see those people ever again. Let's post, let's go. I'm meant for more. I'm not meant to be a rat like them. So that's when I actually started posting online. I felt bad, I felt cringy. I posted for like 2 to 3 months, and after 3 to 4 months, there was no views. Like everybody's saying I'm cringe. What are you doing, man? Like, don't do it, stop doing it. Stop wasting your time and so on. But after the 4th month of posting, I actually hit like 500,000 views on one reel. And after that moment, I felt so good that I achieved something they have not achieved. And I felt so good about it. After that reel blew up, I came back to school and the friends were like, oh my god, man, like 500,000 views, no way. Like, congrats, man. And by the way, those were also the guys who told me like, don't post, don't do it. And after that 500,000 views, I posted consistently every single day and there was no views on the radar. Like for 3 months after that, I didn't get any views. And they were again telling me, stop doing it, like you're not getting any views, you're cringe, man, like stop it. And again, I felt so bad. But I remember the moment when I hit 500,000 views. And like 3 months have passed after that, after feeling bad, but I consistently posted because I remembered how it feels when you win. And I actually hit like 5 million views on a reel. And after that reel, all of my other reels got like 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, a million views. After that, it stacked all one to another, and friends were like, yo bro, it feels so good, you're winning. I mean, remember who supported you when you were nothing. And they actually have seen that I can win and they didn't tell me it's cringe anymore. But I have stopped hanging out with them because I knew they were rats and they didn't want good for me. So I stopped hanging out with them, even though they told me like, great job, man, you hit millions and millions of views. But I didn't care anymore. They were not my friends. And one tip I have for you, if you maybe want to start on social media or business, or anything that you think you're scared of their opinion, the one tip that I have for you guys that want to pursue content, if you're doing Instagram or TikTok, try starting with Instagram trial reels. They're not shown to your followers. It's only shown to people that are not your followers, and from there you can see what performs good and what not, and you can test and see. And when it performs good, you can publish it even to your followers. Let's say you get 500,000 views, you can immediately publish to your followers and they will be like, oh my god, man, really like crazy, congrats and so on. Like for content, guys, use trial reels. For business, why would you even tell somebody you have a business? You can literally work on your own till you make some money, till you start seeing some results, and after that you can tell everybody like it doesn't mean anything. Just start. Like, don't be a bitch. You clicked on this video because you know you're meant for more. So stop thinking what other people say. They will forget it in like 2 minutes. They don't have a fraction of what you have in your head. You have big goals because you clicked on this video. And for some of you that have fear of judgment generally in your life, like first of all, stop judging other people, because subconsciously when you judge other people and gossip and so on, you put subconsciously in your mind that you're being judged. The subconscious mind is very powerful, so stop filling it with negative energy. And stop gossiping and stop talking about other people and judging them, because you will feel judged. If you don't know who am I, I'm Christian and I made over 400 million views on social media, $400,000 for my clients in my business, and yeah, proud to say I overcame the fear of judgment. If you want to learn more useful stuff, go to my channel, subscribe. I talk about business, I talk about self-improvement, I talk about everything you need to have in your life to succeed.